blast to get out and get the last things I wanted to get yesterday. So I come out today to get. The heat is pumping, the 4WD is working, the hella lights on the bumper are working for extra visibility, and I did re-angle them so they're not in people's rear views. Well, they're going to go down the hill, so it might go in their rear view, but I did my best. But you don't know what it feels like to be driving in the snow in my truck. I am grateful. I want to get this pretty girl home because I don't want to be in the salt and sand too much. But, I gotta get what I gotta get. I have good days and I have bad days. So, yesterday was a bad day. I was emotionally drained the day before. So, yesterday I did a whole lot of nothing. But today I said, let me get out there. I shoveled the path from the front porch to Black Betty. And I dug the garbage cans out a little bit. And I gotta go to this store actually. Stop and plop. How safe is it gonna be with the rollator? And yes, I have the rollator with me because safety first. And no, we're not going to be doing any donuts in the parking lot or anything like that. But we're just going to get in here and get out. Doing the rollator in the snow will not be so fun. But I gotta do what I gotta do. Off like a prom dress.